Health index is strong, 98%. Growth metrics look excellent on this one.
The yield optimization is holding steady at 99.8%.
Excellent. Let's maintain this calibration.
This one appears clear of steatosis.
Confirmed. Moving to station 4.
Consistent texture, good color, weighing in at exactly 1.3 kilograms.
All right, place it in the prime tray.
We're checking the calibration now. The volume seems consistent across all heads.
The automated system seals the cartons, then the inkjet printer applies the batch code.
All right, easy now, keep it straight. Almost there. Grab the yellow strap and make sure it's tight.
These trucks represent the critical link in the global supply chain, moving millions in goods every hour. The seared foie gras, a delicacy perfected over centuries, is presented here on fine porcelain.
As you can see, the APAC region saw a 20% increase in Q3.
Is that adjusted for currency fluctuations?
Yes, those figures are net.
The instability near the Suez Canal is affecting the grain shipments to Marseille.
We need to reroute the caviar from Oslo to avoid delays.
This is the luxury gourmet finale, the exquisite result of a sophisticated transformation from farm to table.
We have a potential delay on the Atlantic route.
The revised schedule shows an opening tomorrow morning. We can reroute it then.
Every morning, this fleet of refrigerated trucks ensures that fresh exports reach their destination. This refrigerated unit, bound for gourmet markets, requires precise placement deep within the cargo hold.
The European markets are showing a 20% increase in Q4 exports.
That aligns perfectly with the current demand metrics.
This animated world map projection displays the intricate global trade.
According to the real-time data here, the efficiency metrics are exceeding our projections for Q4.
That aligns with the visual output below.
The culmination of a meticulous process, transforming simple ingredients into a billion-dollar gourmet industry.
This is the heart of global trade. In the early morning hanes, these massive cranes orchestrate
bring it forward.
Locked. Secure the straps.
The Q4 projections show significant growth in the APAC region.
But what about the recent fluctuations in the European market?
This overlay demonstrates the sharp increase in revenue directly tied to the new automated infrastructure.
We have a major bottleneck near the channel. Shipments of perishables are delayed.
Reroute through the Mediterranean immediately to mitigate the spoilage risk.
Our premium collection features exquisite craftsmanship and gourmet selections, presented with timeless elegance.
Back it up another 2 feet. All right, secure that strap on the left. And here we are, the Grand Gourmet Industry Finale, a symmetrical display of premium foie gras